All right, here we are in the cart barn. We're doing the team member tune-up. We're going to be communicating with everyone. We're going to be sending videos every week, trying to keep everyone on the same page so we can do a great job for the members and keep the cart barn clean and keep the whole facility clean. We're going to go here. We're going to talk with Curtis. He's going to show us how to clean the cart. And a couple things before we do that, you got to make sure to double check the sand bottles. Double check the waters in the cooler. Double check the teas. Most importantly, the scorecard right here, facing up, logo facing up. Most importantly, my pet peeve, love that Newport Beach logo facing out. And then make sure to double check underneath the towels so there's no cigarette butts or trash in there. Make sure everything is clean. And then Curtis is going to go to town. All right, last but not least, we want to do a little wipe down with a wet towel on the roof, trying to get the bird poop off, trying to keep the tops of these clean. And other than that, let's keep up the good work. We'll see you at work.